Android has two types of widgets. There's these widgets you can add to your home screen, and they're great. Lots to choose from, you can resize them, place them anywhere you want. Overall, they're great. And then there's the widgets you can add on your lock screen. And those are nice too, but very limited compared to the home screen widgets. To add a widget to your lock screen, you'll tap and hold the screen when you're on the lock screen. You'll be asked to authenticate, and after that, we can edit the lock screen view. If you have existing widgets, you can tap those to edit them or change them. If you don't have anything, you'll see something like this, Add Widgets, and you can tap that to start adding them. The size of these widgets are limited, and you're mostly getting these small tiles in, nothing large like you can do on the home screen. Another frustrating thing is that you can't really move them. They're automatically placed under the clock, and there's no way to change that. You can change the order of the widgets by long pressing and dragging them, but the general position cannot be changed. On Pixel phones, widgets don't even live on your main lock screen, and you have to swipe inward from the right edge to see a dedicated widget hub where they all live. So that's lock screen widgets on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.